Alright, bad as I hate to do her, I think it's time to start on this side. So probably the first thing I need to do is fire up that wire wheel that did me so fine on the other side and see what we find up in here. I'm looking right here. I don't know but what. Some stuff didn't go on up there. I see some blue thread. I don't know. This car is going to have everything new but the kitchen sink. And I got a motor over there I want to put in it. Anyway, quit belly aching, get busy. Right there's the pile of metal that came from this side of the car. What didn't just turn into dust, that's what's left. So, guess we better clean that up and get everything moved to the other side. So I fired up the wire wheel here and ground all this mess out. There's a bunch of Bondo there. I took that door off, put that door back on. I'll show you what I had to do over there in a minute. Door wouldn't shut, so I had to modify it. I put too much of a curve here. My eyeballing didn't work out. So anyway, this side not nearly as bad, although I see some holes up in there. So I think I'm gonna cut this out. There's some brazed in stuff. That's weld, I think. So anyway, I'm gonna cut some of this out and see what I see. Well, here's what I'm finding. Rust. All the way up in there. That's discouraging. Oh well, let me keep cutting. I'm disheartened and encouraged all at the same time. This is not nearly as rusty. This piece is okay, the wheel well. Except for where I buggered it up, getting it away from the floor pan. So I think I'm going to go ahead and weld that in place, at least to somewhere there. I probably need to cut this out just for access. And that's where I had my braces in, but boogered that up too. So you can see this corner isn't too attached, so I'm gonna have to reconstruct, but it ain't as bad as the other side. Well, that's what I done did. I got that piece made up. I got this piece made up for the back side. See up in there, I probably should turn my light off since I'm not using it. And but I'm getting tired. I may weld that up right there and call it a night. I think that's what I'll do. Oh yeah, look at there. Smoke rolling. I had to cut into my inside panel there, which I didn't have to because there's a fire. A mouse house was on fire, for Pete's sake. Well, I think the crisis is averted. I don't see no more smoke. I don't think. And I can't see nothing on fire. So I think I'm gonna sit here a little bit longer just to make sure, and then I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm pretty dirty and pretty hungry and it's pretty late. And I still got other stuff to do. You know, I do a lot of other things, sometimes involved with cars, but more about that in the next some odd videos. Alright, thank you all for watching. I'm gonna ring the bell because that's the tradition. Don't forget to go to MrHeavyChevy.com where you too can buy t-shirts and whatnot, and stickers and what have you. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm tired. I'm tired of fixing rust on this dang car. All I got left to do is that part of the rocker, all that, probably some on the doors, the roof, and I think that's it. I think.